Hi guys, here's another super easy recipe from my grandmom's kitchen. So I have sliced up an eggplant here and I've got some water boiling, and to this I'm going to add enough salt and a little bit of turmeric powder. And once this starts bubbling, we're going to add in our sliced up brinjals. So I have soaked the eggplant in water so that it doesn't discolor, so ensure that you do that too. So just add in this and we're going to blanch it for exactly 4 minutes and then we're going to drain it. Great. So once we're done with this, we're going to make a coating for our eggplant, and that's also super duper simple. So let's get started on that. So we need 6 shallots, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and salt to taste. Now let's grind this up. And take an egg, add some pepper and some salt and whisk it up. And after this, we're going to add this ground paste to that and again give it a good whisk. And that's it guys, you have the perfect batter for your eggplant. And we're going to just coat the eggplant with this and we're going to shallow fry. Take your eggplant, coat it really well and add it to some hot oil. I've added around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a flat skillet, and we're just gonna fry this till they get a sear on both the sides, and then we're good to go. Now flip it. Guys, this tastes amazing with some tea, and you can have it for lunch also with rice, and it's amazing. I like to enjoy this with some curd rice. You can have it with anything and any time of the day. And as you can see, on one side it's almost done and we're getting a good sear. Let's drain the excess oil using a paper towel. And there you go guys, your eggplant is ready. You're gonna enjoy this now. So until next time, bye!